Today we're going to evaluate the order of operations expression 6 minus 6 times 6 minus 6. We will analyze the operator priority to simplify the string accurately. First, we need to identify the operator by the highest priority rank. According to the rules of PEMDAS, multiplication must be performed before subtraction. This makes the product of 6 and 6 a mandatory starting position. Calculating the product in the middle, 6 times 6 equals 36. Replace the multiplication block with 36, updating our expression to 6 minus 36 minus 6. The remaining operations are both subtraction, which share the same priority rank. When operators share equal priority, calculate strictly from left to right. The next step is to evaluate the subtraction on the left, 6 minus 36. Subtracting 36 from 6 gives us negative 30. This leaves one final subtraction step, negative 30 minus 6. Now let's perform the final subtraction step to complete the problem. Subtracting 6 from negative 30 results in exactly negative 36.